What's cracking, Jump Nation family? It's your boy here, Rushi S, aka the Jump Rope Coach. Welcome back to the channel, peeps, and today we have a special guest. We have an RA athlete with us today. We have Georgina. Say what's up.
Hello, what's up?
Georgina has kindly come on the channel to teach you guys some very cool, slick footwork. We always want to make sure you guys are flying boss out there. So today is a 2-minute tutorial Tuesday, people. So remember, if you're new to the channel, hit the links down below, hit the subscribe button. We are the hottest fitness community growing across the world today, and we are backed up by the #1 skipping ropes on the internet. Use the links down below, use Rush10 for 10% discount, and go check out Georgina's page on the link. I told you there'd be mess ups. I'm gonna leave her links down below as well. You're mainly on Instagram, right?
Yeah, Georgina Igwe.
I'm gonna try and inspire her to do some more YouTube as well, but she has some fire skills, and we're gonna learn them today, right?
Cool.
You ready to roll?
I'm so down.
All right, let's head to the main spot. So a little bit about yourself. How long have you been skipping for?
Started skipping in lockdown 2020.
Lockdown skipper here, big
You
up.
inspired me, so thank you for that, because I'm here today because of you.
So 2020, and now you're an RA athlete, you're repping the brand.
I am.
I'm very excited, I'm very proud to have you on the team.
Thank you.
Show us a little bit about this move, and then we'll break it down for the folks.
Cool.
Yeah, we're gonna get 2 minutes on the clock, people. We're gonna probably go over it as we always do, but you're gonna get a ton of value. So leave a like and drop us your feedback. We'll get more of Georgina on the channel, hopefully, yeah?
I hope so. I would love to.
I'll let you step in the middle.
Okay.
All right. So what are we learning today?
This little footwork, I'm not a big footwork expert, but this little things that I do to transition into moves. My favorite move is jump squat, but we're not going to do that.
We're not doing no jump squats today.
Not today.
My knees don't need that for a Tuesday. All right, give it a little whirl.
It's little crosses.
Oh wow. Okay. Some cool stuff in there. I'll be real. I haven't tried a couple of these things. There's a couple of things I want to talk about. So when you're building footwork patterns, just to give them a little insight, is this something that you've been inspired by someone else, or do you, like every day you're trying different things?
I'm just trying different things, just because I don't want my moves to be always the same thing.
Yeah.
But I'm inspired by other jumpers who are really good at jump work, like footwork, and they just can do double unders and footwork at the same time, and I just think it's really slick, it's really cool. So I just try to do that.
This looks super cool. All right, so I guess there's the 3 components to this, right? We've got kind of like a cross step.
So we got cross, open, cross,
so with the other foot
open,
in front.
Then side, 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 and then kick.
This little kick action, I like this. All right, this is gonna be fun.
But you have to stand straight, because if not, you're gonna fall backwards as well, and that will be too high for the rope.
What's a good starting point for the folks at home? Is it better without the rope to try this? To do it like kind of like a shadow skip?
Yeah, exactly.
Am I doing this right?
Exactly.
Boom.
Boom. Yeah.
I mean, my hips don't lie. No, my hips are fucked. But this high little kick seems cool. All right, so let's go from the top.
So we're gonna do open, close, open, side, side, kick, kick.
All right, this is gonna be epic, peeps, man. Try and follow along at home. I'm gonna try to give it a go with you, yeah?
Go ahead.
So what we're doing, so the first one.
Yeah, so open,
cross,
cross,
boom,
boom,
boom.
Kick. Yeah.
First time, man. I'm not too bad at this thing. Not too bad at it.
Smooth.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
And you know, one thing about this, peeps, is when you're learning, you don't have to follow
different ways.
It's so cool. Like, it's cool because you could do this in different ways, right? You can reverse the pattern. You can start with the kick. You can start with the. What do you call this move, by the way?
I don't even know. I just do it. I'm like, it looks cool.
I'm not gonna lie. I don't really. I mean, have you ever seen videos of me doing this kind of stuff?
No, you do high knees, but this is more like a high knee cross.
So when you're doing cross jumps, what are you kind of feeling here? On the balls of your feet?
I do on the ball of my feet. Do this, or if not, I do cross like this. So you can do side, or side, side.
I like the fact that she's not kind of like going too far apart. Like kind of
I had to learn the wrong way.
Some people,
because I got whipped from it when you're too large.
Yeah, so I think that's what makes it look super nice, is when you kind of keep everything really nice and compact, right?
Exactly.
Nice and neat, a lot of breathing, good inhale, exhale, engaging the core, right?
Always.
Yeah, because I see sometimes people doing footwork, they look a bit clunky.
Yeah. I mean, like, you also have footwork that is on the back of your feet, but you got to keep light at all times. You're not an elephant. You know, you're trying to be like a little dancer. You're doing your thing.
Little dancer. I'm really bad at dancing, but how's this look for you?
That's good.
Is that
nice tippy toes.
Cool?
Yeah.
I like the way you kind of describe this. It's like a high knee, so this would be your high knee.
Yeah.
But you're literally just flicking the toes to the sky, right? Or to the side.
Yeah.
Oh, this looks cool. And I guess the kick, peeps, the way to learn the kick is I guess you just got to time it right.
1, 2.
Jump, kick, right?
Yeah. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
How'd you get your legs up that high? That's flexibility, man. That's how high my legs go, guys.
Pretty much. Oh. I guess it's like, have you ever seen the
cha-cha, something that's called?
Yeah.
Can?
Can.
They do it on the floor, right?
They do it on the floor. So you have to be like, so you don't want your body to bend over, but you do want your legs to go higher.
I will say it does kind of like engage this like lower abdomen region that
we're doing everything when we're
probably doesn't get enough attention when I'm training. It's just a cool little tutorial, 2 minutes, probably gone over it, but
I think so, we're like 2 minutes.
I always go over it, man. But you know, it's nice that they get to see these sort of patterns. How would you kind of like extend this? What's another move just to give them a little extra bonus?
To incorporate with this?
Yeah.
I love shuffling.
Yeah.
So.
A little shuffle, yeah.
And then switch cross.
Ooh, hey, that might be for another tutorial. Guys, really quick one, little pattern. I think we'll bring you back for the shuffle.
Switch cross.
Switch cross, shuffle, switch cross. You smashed it.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
Always
for coming
a pleasure
down.
being here.
No, you're the boss. Guys, remember, if you do not know what's going on, what this channel is all about, like I said before, hit the subscribe button. Go check our ropes out. Today we're both using Zenova rope, which is still available for pre-order. We're shipping them out as we speak. I'll let you say bye.
Bye. See you guys. Thank you.
So until next time, catch you in the next video as always. So take care of yourself, skip the treadmill, stay safe. Peace.
Was the knight in shining armor in your movie? Would put your lips on mine and love the aftertaste now.